I'm going to vibe code something. The problem statement is that I have just made a post on LinkedIn asking for some beta users, and I have basically just asked them to comment on a thread. Now, LinkedIn is a public channel, so how do I exchange sensitive information like, let's say, my phone number or email address with the party, uh, without necessarily using the premium features of LinkedIn? So I thought about this and I said, yeah, well, we can use Diffie Hellman key exchange. So people who are not aware of that, basically it allows uh, two parties to establish a shared secret key over an insecure communication channel, and it is susceptible to man in the middle attack. So if the authentication is taken care of, then it actually um, you know it is fine. So for the use case which I am interested in, this will work out fine. But I didn't want to implement all of this math, even though it's pretty simple. I thought, why don't we just vibe code this? So we have written this prompt, and we would want to just have like a simple HTML JavaScript based implementation, which I can put it on GitHub in a public repo, ask people to download it, or yeah, basically something like that. We don't want to have any package installation, etc. It should be really simple to use this. So let's see what Claude comes up with. So it is generating a single HTML file with embedded JavaScript. Great. Come on, Claude. Finish this. So let me figure out a placeholder for this. I have some experiments here. So experimental Diffie Hellman tool. Sure. Wow, is it going to finish it within a minute or not? All right, so this is what we have. This is a single file. How to use, okay, let's actually you can try it out here directly, I think. So secret number, my secret number is 19824. Generate the public key. So we have a huge prime, we have a generator too. So generate the public key. Alrighty, and copy the public key, paste A's public key here. So if we pasted that, and generate secret number. So my secret number for B, it's going to be 101, a simple number. Generate public key. Again, the same prime has been used. The generator is 2. This font is not great, buddy. I should make this thing a little bit more. Okay. So these public keys will be exchanged over, let's say, LinkedIn. Compute shared secret. Compute. Alrighty. Now symmetric encryption. So message to encrypt. Okay. Howdy. Let's vibe code this weekend. So encrypt message. This is the encrypted message. Yeah, but where's, okay, the decrypt is here. Decryption failed. So in the style of vibe coding, my decryption has failed. Let's see. Support for message up to blah blah blah. How to use? Yes. Shared secret. Yeah, what is the shared secret actually? It's not. Please debug. Yeah, I think we should save this locally. Okay, it has done something. We'll wait for it to finish, and I think we will have, say, 2 windows that will simulate the exact use case which we are interested in. And I'm recording it live as the idea came to me, so people will have an idea of how it typically goes, what's this journey. And yeah, I've done like a fair amount of some other interesting things like this chat messaging server. Maybe I'll show this one in another video. This is completely vibe coded. This is another one, content addressable storage. This is nice one. Yeah, a few more are more complex. Maybe this one is also good. Stock monitor. This is a simple tool which once run in, it will monitor a few stocks which you are interested in, and it will give some alerts if the stock price changes of a certain threshold, etc. So few of these vibe coding examples are here. Alright, so it's done its work. Let's copy this, and so we will say this is, see, with vibe coding I always like to version things properly, because even though AI is so great, it's going to screw up in places. So we'll say Diffie tool dot html. Is it HTML? I'm just throwing it everything in there. Okay, so it is HTML. So let's load this up. So Diffie tool.html. Alrighty, and Diffie tool.html. Okay, so secret number, let's start with something simple. Okay, so we have 12 and we have, let's say, 15. Okay, generate. Here is, oh, actually I should have yeah, uh, never mind this one. So here, yeah, I'll do it here. Okay, so this needs to be copied. Other part is public key goes here, and this font is terrible. Here public key, or haven't I pasted anything here? Hang on. So this gets so confusing. Hang on. So let's say this is the incognito is party B. Okay, so party B generated their public key. Okay, and let's say party B has sent this. So party B's public key is here, which is fine, and my public key, party A's public key rather, should go here. Yes. So compute shared secret. Great. And then this guy will say compute shared secret. Is done. Now let's say A wants to send something. Howdy, this is Alice. Okay, so this is Alice. Let's copy this, and we want to decrypt this message. So so decrypt. Great. Howdy, this is Alice, and howdy, this is Bob. Why not? Okay, so encrypt, and here you go, message to decrypt, and decrypt message. Howdy, this is Bob. Great work. So after you're done this, basically, yeah, you should version your code. So simple JS HTML code for Diffie Hellman key exchange, courtesy Claude. Great. So this is done. Thanks a lot.